Hi, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to see the off-campus drive alert. Let's see the job details. Before enter into the video, if you are not subscribed our channel so far, please subscribe our channel and press bell button for instant notification. Job profile: software engineer. Shop location: Bangalore, India. Company name: Piping Rock India Private Limited. Educational qualification required for this job is BE B.Tech 2022 batch. All branches are eligible to apply this job. High PH score and good academics. Experience level: freshers. About the company: America's rapidly growing manufacturer and distributor of health food supplements, vitamins and other lifestyle products. Piping Rock is a manufacturer and distributor of health food and lifestyle products. Founded by an industry veteran who has a thorough knowledge of the industry, he is looking to put together a dynamic development team that can help build the system that will enable realizing his vision. Job description: at Piping Rock, you will be working on analytics based web and mobile application that run on cloud computing infrastructure. You will be building cross-platform device independent applications that will be enable the users, management and executives to seamlessly accomplish their business functions and obtain the information they need to make critical business. Desired skills are bright and enthusiastic candidates with an analytical bent of mind and strong aptitude for programming. Any programming experience in web, mobile using J2EE, .NET or LAMP stack will be an added advantage. Compensation: during internship, the stipend will be 40,000 per month. Upon successful completion of internship, based on the performance and availability of position, the full-time compensation will be 7 lakh per annum. Your internship will ended on 31st July 2022. Last day to apply for this job is 27 December 2021 and the drive date is 29/12/2021. Apply link is available in description. You may use that link to apply for this job. Thank you for watching this video.